In this video, I'll walk you through how to use ClickFunnels step by step, even if you've never built a funnel or used a marketing platform before. We'll cover the essentials: how to set up your account, create your first funnel, build a store, send emails, and even publish an online course. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use ClickFunnels to start building a real online business. Whether you're launching a product, collecting leads, or creating digital content. If you're just getting started, this is the perfect place to begin. And before we dive in, a quick heads up, I've added a link in the description if you want to try ClickFunnels for free. It's my affiliate link, which means I will earn a small commission if you sign up through it at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And now let's get started. First up, how to set up your ClickFunnels account. Enter your email address and click Get Started. Next, fill in your personal details, your name, phone number, and payment information, and then click Start My Free Trial. During signup, you'll see a checkbox labeled Funnels and Templates. Make sure this box is unchecked because those pre-made funnel templates have an extra cost of $47. Unchecked is the default, so leave it as it is and continue. After signing up, you'll first see a welcome screen. Click Skip to move past it. Next, ClickFunnels will ask you to select your main goal. Options include generate leads, sell digital products, sell physical products, or not sure. Choose the goal that matches what you want to accomplish. In this tutorial, we will select generate leads, since we want to capture potential customer information. Now you're on the main ClickFunnels dashboard. To complete this initial setup, click the Workspace Settings button at the bottom left. In the General Settings tab, scroll through and set up your workspace details. You can change your workspace name, upload your company logo, and select your preferred currency and payment method. And specify the order numbering format. You can also manage your team settings if you have additional users. Fill out each field as needed to personalize your workspace. Next, decide on your domain. ClickFunnels provides a default domain for testing purposes, which is fine if you just want to try things out. If you want a custom domain, click Domains in the left-hand menu, then select Get a Free Domain. Enter your desired name and click Search to check availability. If the domain is available, go ahead and purchase it. ClickFunnels uses IONOS for domain registration. Once the purchase is complete, ClickFunnels automatically configures the domain to work with your account. After this step, your ClickFunnels account setup is complete and you're ready to move on. From the main dashboard, click on Funnels and then select Create Funnel. You'll be asked to choose the type of funnel you want to build. You can start completely from scratch, but it's usually easier, especially for beginners, to pick a template that matches your goal. For this tutorial, we're going to use a lead squeeze funnel. A squeeze funnel is one of the simplest and most effective ways to collect email addresses. It usually consists of just two pages: a landing page that offers something valuable in exchange for the visitor's email, and a thank you page that confirms the signup. The goal is to squeeze the contact info from the visitor without distractions or extra steps. If you're building an email list, this is a great place to start. Now, on the funnel overview page, you'll see an introductory video explaining funnels. Feel free to watch it or skip it if you're ready to begin. Scroll down and browse the available templates. You can click Preview Template to see how any design looks. When you find a template you like, click Select Funnel to install it. ClickFunnels will now set up your new funnel. Once the funnel is installed, click Customize Now. This opens the funnel editor. Start by previewing the pages. Hover over the first landing page in the funnel list and click Preview. This opens that page in a new browser tab so you can see how it looks. Then return to the editor. Hover over the first page again and click Edit. The editor window for the first landing page will open. In the visual editor, every part of the page is editable. Click on any text element to change the headline or subheadline, and use the editing panel on the right to adjust the font size, color, or background. To add new content, hover over where you want it and click Add Elements. This opens a sidebar of elements. For example, you can add a text box, an image, a form, a button, or any other elements. If you choose an image, you will get options to adjust its size, alignment, alt text, and other settings. To add a completely new section, such as testimonials, or features, hover over the page and click Add Section at the bottom. A search bar will appear. Type in a keyword like testimonials and hit enter. Click on a section design you like and it will be inserted into your page. You can then edit that section's content and layout just like any other block. If you want to edit an entire block at once, for example, the footer, hover over the block and click Edit Block. This allows you to change multiple elements inside that block simultaneously. After making changes, click Save in the top right of the editor. This ensures your edits are applied. Now return to the main funnel editing screen. Click the back arrow at the top left. You can preview the first page again to see how your changes look in a live view. Next, edit the other funnel pages. For example, a thank you page or any follow-up pages the same way. Hover over the page, click Edit, make your changes, and save. You can also adjust the funnel settings by clicking Settings on the top right of the funnel editor. Here, you can rename the funnel, assign a custom domain or URL, and add tags. When everything looks good and you want to go live, turn off test mode in the settings. Disabling test mode publishes the funnel so it is live at the URL you configured. Now, your funnel is ready for visitors. Our funnel is now live. Next, let's set up an online store. Setting up your store. ClickFunnels comes with a built-in store app, which means you can sell products right from your site, whether it's physical products, digital downloads, or even services. So if you want an online shop alongside your funnel, this is the way to do it. To set it up, go to your dashboard and click the plus icon next to Apps on the left-hand side. That opens up the Apps menu. Scroll down and select the Store app. Then click Add App. Give your store a name. This also helps from the URL, and review the default URL structure. Click Create Store to set it up. Once the store is created, scroll down and click Create Products. If you have products in a service like ZenDrop, you can use the import feature. Otherwise, choose the type of product, such as physical or digital product, then enter the product name and description. Click Create Product. Enter the amount, and then click Set Price. You'll be taken to the main product editing page. On the product page, upload images of your products. Then provide additional details. Set the product price, SKU, weight, and manufacturer information. Configure any purchasing options or variants, for example, different sizes or colors. Scroll down to SEO settings and enter a search-friendly product name, description, and URL path. Add any tags that will help organize or categorize the products. Finally, choose where this product should be displayed. When you have entered everything, click Update Product to save it. Repeat the product creation steps for each item you want to sell. After adding products, set up payment processing. In the dashboard, go to Apps, select Store, click Overview, and click Set up Payments. Select your payment provider. ClickFunnels supports options such as Stripe and ClickFunnels Payments AI. Click Add App next to your chosen provider. You'll be prompted to log in or create an account for the service. If you already have a Payments AI account, simply log in. If not, create one to authorize ClickFunnels. Once connected, return to your store's page. Next, customize the appearance of your store by clicking Customize Store. This opens a store editor similar to the funnel editor. Hover over text or images to edit them. And rearrange sections by dragging or adding new elements. Use the cart option in the left panel to edit the cart page layout. You can insert pop-up forms by clicking the pop-up button in the top toolbar. If you want to change the overall design theme, click Style Guide to set global fonts, colors, button styles, and other settings. While in the store editor, you can toggle between desktop and mobile previews by clicking the device icon, ensuring your design looks good on all devices. When you make changes, use the preview icon to see how the store will appear to customers. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save in the top right corner. Your store is now live at the URL shown on the store overview page. Customers can visit that link to browse and purchase your products. Your store is up and running. Nice job. Now, let's keep that momentum going and set up your email marketing. This is how you stay in touch with leads, build trust, and turn casual visitors into actual paying customers. Email marketing setup. ClickFunnels includes an email marketing app to send newsletters and campaigns. To install it, click the plus icon next to Apps on the dashboard and select Emails under the Apps list. Click Configure Email Settings. Then type in your marketing email address. This is the email your messages will be sent from. Once that's entered, click Save. Then click Add App to install the email tool and connect it to your account. Now, let's create your first email campaign, called a broadcast in ClickFunnels. You'll be asked to give it a name. Keep it clear and concise, something like launch announcements or Black Friday promo, so you know exactly what it is later. Once you're inside the broadcast setup screen, fill out all the important details. First, choose your topics. Topics are like tags that help you organize and manage what types of emails you're sending. Next, set your audience. This is where you define who should receive the email. You can choose all subscribers or filter by specific segments, like people who opted in through a certain funnel or customers who bought a specific product. Use the filters to make sure you're sending the right message to the right group. Now, set the From email. This is the address your subscribers will see as the sender. Then, enter the Reply To email, which is where responses will go if someone replies to your message. These can be the same or different depending on how you manage support. After that, write your subject line. This is the first thing people will see in their inbox, so make it clear and attention-grabbing. Right below that, add your pre-header texts, which gives a little extra context and shows up next to the subject in most inboxes. You'll also choose when the email goes out. You can send it right away or schedule it for a specific date and time. Scheduling is great if you want to time it with a product launch or campaign. Once all that's filled in, click Design Email. Now you're inside the email editor. You can either pick a built-in template or start with a blank design. Everything is fully customizable. You can change out images, update the text, adjust fonts and colors, whatever fits your brand and message. And before you send anything out, always hit the Send Test button. That lets you send a preview to yourself or a teammate so you can double check how it looks in your inbox. Once everything looks good, click Publish and Exit. That'll save your email and bring you back to the broadcast overview. From there, you can make any final edits or go ahead and click Schedule Broadcasts. All right, your email marketing is now fully set up. Last step, let's publish an online course. ClickFunnels also has a built-in courses app, which lets you create and sell your own online course. This is perfect if you're building a membership site, running a digital education business, or just want to deliver your content in a clean, structured way. To get started, head over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click the plus icon next to Apps. Then find and select Courses and click Add App to install it. Next, choose your course type. For this walkthrough, we'll go with a simple course, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a straightforward layout with modules and lessons. No complicated drip schedules or extra logic. Perfect for getting your content out fast. You'll now be prompted to fill in the course basics. Start by entering your course title, then write a short description of what the course covers. You'll also be asked to upload a cover image. This is the thumbnail people will see for your course. Then assign a custom URL for the course. This is the direct link students will use to access it. After that, you'll need to set whether your course is free or paid. If it's free, anyone with the link can sign up and access the lessons. If it's paid, access is restricted until someone buys it through one of your funnels or store products. Once that's filled in, ClickFunnels will now create the course and take you straight to the course overview page. This is where you will start building out your curriculum. First, click Add Content and then choose Add New Module. Make sure that the parent module is set to none since this is your top level structure. Then give your module a title, write a quick description, and upload an image if you want. This isn't mandatory, but it can make the course feel more polished. Click Create Module and it will be added to your course. Now scroll down to your new module. You will see it listed, but it's empty. Underneath it, click Empty Add Contents. Then select Add Lesson. This is where you start adding actual teaching material. Give the lesson a title. Then click Create Lesson. Your new lesson will now appear under that module. Click on the lesson title to open it. Inside, you can upload the lesson material, like a video file or audio recording, depending on how you deliver your content. You can also use the visual editor to customize the lesson page and supporting text, images, downloadable resources, or anything else your students might need. When you're done editing, click Save and Reload to lock in the updates. Repeat that same process. Add module, then add lessons under each one until your full course is built out with all your contents. Whether it's a 5-lesson intro or a 50-video masterclass, you can structure it however you want. Once everything is in place, head back to the course overview page. Then click Drafts. Here you can choose to publish the entire module, set it to drip, lock it, or even publish individual lessons. For now, we'll go ahead and publish the full module. At the top, you'll see the URL for your course. Copy that link and paste it into a browser to preview what your students will see. It's always a good idea to run through it yourself and make sure the layout, videos, and navigation all work the way you expect. And that's it. Your course is live and ready to go. And with that, you're officially set up all the major features inside ClickFunnels. Conclusion. All right, that's the full walkthrough. You've just seen how to set up your ClickFunnels account from scratch, build your first lead generation funnel, launch a store with real products and payments, set up email marketing with broadcast campaign, and even publish your own online course with modules and lessons. Every major feature you need to run and grow an online business is now in your hands, all inside one platform. If you haven't signed up yet, there's a link in the description to start your free trial with ClickFunnels. It's the best way to follow along and start building your own business today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.